Okada with this kind my rapper, he could do like this face. Then he go put leg.
No, not so.
Not so now.
Anyway, come here.
Why, Nedu, you don't come again, no?
People could wonder why we be like primary school. Let's say people they say compound.
No, we didn't inside our compound.
We didn't inside our compound.
You know,
no, the compound. We didn't inside our yard. So we are going to play yard play. Now, what will be that play?
My mother told me.
You feed one.
Nedu, now you they always they mess thing up. Oh, the last time now me when you not clean.
Tell me.
Katim go feed one. Now you know go feed one.
Me.
Katim fast. Katim fast passive for everything.
See, my mama told me professional. Don't try me. Let's go. Leave that it.
Ha. Today. Listen, Ngwanu. Easy, you they watch.
I watch.
Wait now. I put my trousers down.
Why you they pull them down?
They make me discomfort.
You don't fear.
They make me discomfort. Which kind of fear? Get out. Hiya. My 1, 2, 3, go.
No, now me go count face.
Oh, no.
Make she count.
Who the child? Not the person where they
make she count now. Nedu, you today.
Oh yeah, you come here now. Count.
Why you go be saying that? Yeah, you stand here. I don't know whether or not
they stand there.
Okay.
So 1, 2. After 3, 1, 2. My mother told me that she will buy me an lolly. If I'm a good girl, so you play with me.
Faster.
Around the rainbow, around the apple tree. You be my only friend. Forever, Okay, then we don't do that one.
More do another one. This time, that one we do for Biden.
For birthday, wait.
Dance around. Come.
Dance around the chair.
Come. Mini match. Mona clap for our producer mini match.
Yay!
See, if we somebody clap for you, you go do thank you.
You go about.
You go catwalk.
No, you go introduce a mini match. I don't produce extraordinary.
Go back.
Yeah, I'm introducing you.
Yeah.
Okay, let us welcome. Put your hand together on behalf of Katim and Nedu. Welcome a mini match.
You not put easy bit. Go back.
Okay, on behalf of Nedu, Katim and Easy Bid, the year of international repute. Welcome, producer extraordinaire, a mini match.
You go do us. You go do catwalk. Go like this. Then you go do what's up? What's up?
This is of international repute.
I want to do that Biden dance. Biden dance. Easy beat. You know that Biden dance?
Of course.
When they're going to dance round, then the person when...
So who will decide to up the music? What will the winner go get?
The winner? Yeah. Now the winner go continue the show.
What if...
The one will not get and go knee down. Oh yes.
Nedu, yes. Make a time my lapa.
Start. Let's go. What's up? Hey!
They move.
What's up? Move now.
Move it. Hey. Oh yeah, remove one chair. We go find a winner. No, remove one chair.
We never finish.
We get now one winner. We go get now. Remove one chair.
Okay. Why you do easy bit?
We for not do one sound.
Easy, you have today.
Move now.
I did dance now.
What are they moving now?
You know
I'm a very good bad cow. nobody fit trust me and you together. It's to say I don't push this shit. They
do for shift up.
Yeah.
Anyway,
two of us go come for
now welcome to the night show for today.
Hey.
Where be the 6th of? Hey.
Nasi sabi.
What's that? Hey.
You know, say we never give people good evening.
Good evening. And welcome to the night show for today.
We go break first.
We go break. More go rest. Come back.
More go drink water.
More go drink. No, more never go break. Remember, say before. When people they go school, you know some people they go school naked before. Imagine now.
No singlet, no nothing.
Well, come on this chair.
No, maybe only na dusting powder.
Imagine say that time people they go school, they know they wear clothes. Imagine now. Say we know they wear clothes. Or more just leave them. Imagine say for inside Garden of Eden. Now only Eve now him chop the apple. He not gonna give Adam. As we dey here so now, me and you for naked. No only katim for wear clothes.
Then I go say,
me and you for the say, oh, now welcome to the night show. Hey.
Then I go say, then una nakedness no mean anything to me. You not mean anything to woman.
And then if our president want talk, fellow Nigeria. If Kesele want talk, no, they do not be so.
No, if Kemos go just come say, Nedu that thing, you don't ready, you don't ready.
Kemos go say, Nedu, we are ready. We are ready. Anyway, we come back. Welcome to the night show for today. Today for the night show.
On your waist. We don't come second.
Make una no vex say we just enter that spirit, you know.
Anyhow, so you must forgive us because the Bible, you must forgive your neighbor 70 times what? 7.
That is Psalm chapter something verse something.
That is it.
And the Bible, the book also said that if you don't try to velegu the haskaput of Talidon, there is no way you are going to vlaber the bangles. What book of the Bible is that?
The Valatut.
Are you with me?
I am with
you. Are you with me?
I am with you.
Okay. Anyway, una welcome to the night show. For today for the night show. Now una get night show today. Una get up. Now this thing we want to come yesterday, but we not to.
No, we don't get time because you know say oh my God, that fully somebody.
That oh my God, it was here. So we will not fit discuss the thing. Now, this one no matter when it be say happen. Today na Wednesday, okay, now today, now they send yesterday, now they send the thing. Now the question what did they be say? This guy and this girl, then two want marry. The guy na Catholic, now she be.
Yes.
The guy na strong Pentecostal, now him be. Now, as they want marry, now they don't already agree to marry. The guy done the down. Baby, will you marry me? The girl agree.
She say yes.
Yes, I will marry you.
Aww.
Now the problem we can't dey now be say the guy, mama, they talk say they must marry for their church, will be Redeemed Church. Now the mama of the girl will be Catholic. Cause say no.
They don't agree.
Oh, mama, I rather
over my dead body.
Oh, mama,
yeah, I said that I'm Theodore, whether you like it or not.
Translate. Oh, mama, it will not happen.
It can need to pay.
It will not happen.
It can need to pay in this lifetime or next. It can need to pay.
I rather die. I rather die. So as they don't talk like that now, this one not agree. This one not agree. Now the guy and the girl now come. Then two can't agree. Say it be like say what did they go do now to do traditional wedding? They go first do court wedding, then do traditional wedding, then go ahead. But the family said they must do wedding. So you wait there with the ask una now. What be the advice when you go give to these guys, this guy and this girl now? What make them do? Mama of the girl say they must do for Catholic. Parents of the boy too say they must do for Redeem, will be the Pentecostal church. Them two now don't see wahala where they ground. Not know what they go do. They say make them do traditional and court wedding. So the question what would they ask una where they there today? Make una begin call us, send us tweet messages, and then make we know what you think about the matter. For those of you when they be say they watch, when they complain, say on top internet, una know they hear our voice. Una only see picture. Make una download the app. Download the app.
Go find that Wazobia
TV.
Go find them anywhere they find them. Hold them with your two hands. You download them. When you download them, me and you and Nedu and Isi and everybody, everything you are okay.
We want to the whole Zangaba. You understand?
Yes.
When you don't download that now, the Zangaba, we are going to vote the Zulaba.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Anyway, make you begin call us. Our phone numbers there on top of TV.
You know,
tweet messages.
Waiting they intrigue me. Inside this thing when happen, we say the man and the woman no get problem.
No, they no get problem.
Usually easy. Now the man and the woman go get the problem.
For me, if you ask me,
why it could be the mama, the mama of the woman?
They're very stubborn.
No, but I don't know why.
Now
you they marry.
They go on frustrate the children effort.
No, now be the one where they grand.
Don't frustrate their effort.
As in then the mama of the girl says she rather die. Now that one I had passed for me because he said she rather die than make the girl not marry for Catholic.
Can say the pentro. Why is it? You want to go and post with your people?
They put tempero. Can you tempero? No, who got tempero here now?
No, sit the pedro. That is what has happened. Now you the pedro. It cannot change. I want a kif. You know, bante soak away and water.
What you carry soak away? Come. Hey!
Soak away, boss. Something must come on now.
Okay.
So somebody have to agree. Okay. Otherwise, the wedding no go hold. You know, the woman even feel yours one make you marry for Catholic, yours because in yours one thing in daughter post. So you can't call all in friends. Make it now for one if it be one very simple, stupid reason.
What be the thing we go boss now? What be the thing we go boss now? We go make we go make them.
You know, say now the two mama come dey involved. The mama of the groom and the mama of the bride.
Mama of the boy and mama of the girl. Mama can also groom and bride.
The same
now,
thing.
those people
I
will
want
be
another groom. I want another bride. Now, you say don't remember you can say me. It's the same thing. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, you understand everything.
We
understand everything.
Man, woman.
If you want to talk something easy, be talk.
Those people where they carry go marry for Obodo yonder. We could be they go just call their friends, call one or two people, they go Obodo yonder. So their parents will come kill them. So they must come here, come do them.
But the question I want to ask me say, for me, left alone. Now make them make the guy just call the babe one day. Oga, you dey hear me? Not be saying now what I want me you do. But if not me, now what I go do be this one. Babe, where is you? Just carry that's your small ecolak because girls they always get back when they want carry go sleep overnight. Easy beats they always see this bag.
Hey!
Nedu me.
Easy, not lie.
Hey.
You know what always vex me for where you did? You did deny things.
Nedu for where? Okay.
He did see.
Okay.
You know that's ecolak where those girls where they get
Katim,
stoned.
I don't even know the name of that bag. How come they don't know the name?
Easy, I don't trust you these days.
See, make I leave your matter. Make I answer phone call first. Esther, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you, my sister?
I dey fine. How are you?
My sister, we dey here.
Well done, sir.
But if now you for this matter, what you go advise these guys make them do?
Well, the two of them, the form said they be good children. You understand?
Oh, then they form good children.
Esther, you are head there.
They form good children, I make.
Okay.
If the guy knows say he love his wife, make they go do after the traditional marriage.
Yes.
May they go do court wedding. May the two of them consider. Later they feel bless their marriage for anywhere they want.
Okay, but
so make they know. So make they just ignore their mama.
Ignore mama as well. Mama they claim say she be redeemed. Papa they claim say be Catholic. You understand?
Yes.
So if they do that court wedding, the traditional marriage, you know say that white wedding itself na Oyibo
na extra.
Try to copy.
Na
you
extra.
Understand?
Okay.
Now the traditional, now who they go do, once they do, they go get their motherly and fatherly blessings from that one.
Okay. All right, thank you very much, Esther. Hello, good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, Nedu.
Hello!
Nedu PSC.
Hello!
Nedu PSC.
Hello, make I give you that dance. What's up? Hello, how do you hear you?
I believe you, Nedu.
We there. If now you, what you go advise these people make them do?
Yes, Nedu. You know, say this country, we do the mistake. We do the copy Oyibo things. You understand?
Yes.
When you read your Bible,
Yes.
the day of Pentecost.
Pentecost, I know.
The day of Pentecost, that time there was no Catholic, there was no Redeemed, there was no Deeper Life.
Oh.
Okay, so
even Catholic self now is a Pentecostal church. Yes, because my Bible tells me say church started after the day of Pentecost.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
So if you look at from that angle,
Yes.
church na church. We be Christ-like. When you say na Christian, na Christ-like. I know redeem not get your heaven.
Oh.
Father or Pope not get your heaven.
Oh.
Now the same heaven we dey go. You get what I tell my wife at times when we go church. All those are preaching so. It be like say God said go pursue everybody come up for heaven because they'll go cause confusion there. No, not true because this was saying my own good part. This was saying my own good part. So church started from the day of Pentecost. Make the mama know say church started from the day of Pentecost.
So you know concern them.
So now if the mama saying Catholic and the other mama saying Pentecostal,
Yes.
the boy and the girl should go ahead and because I don't marry. They not wed us before they not wed.
They know the
Hello.
Up to our traditional marriage finish. They
Okay.
all use the traditional marriage certificate. No pastor can wed you without traditional marriage certificate.
Oh.
So now the traditional marriage now be the marriage. The other one na borrowed culture.
So for you now, make them do cult and traditional. Bam, you don't finish. Hey, hello. Binta, good evening.
winter.
Malaysia.
Hey, winter from Malaysia.
Danyang fodro. Winter.
Winter and summer. Hello, winter.
Winter bottom.
Winter. Summer.
Fall.
Fall. Autumn. She be out to record that thing.
Autumn.
Autumn.
Hey, no, na autumn. Summer, spring, and winter.
You see, everybody follow confuse themselves. We not only Hamatan and rainy season.
You don't do.
You know what
Dry
else?
and rainy season, that's all.
Dry and rainy season. They go call their own autumn. What is the autumn now?
Na person name mo.
Autumn. Summer.
Springs.
Spring.
Winter.
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 Amen.
Ila do me about Kim Kere winter. Is it a black somebody or a white
No, this guy
somebody?
na black person.
So why your name could be winter?
No, you know, say most of our Igbo people, like I don't know one guy. Mbrede ala bossa balediegu Nwachukwu.
No.
Hold on now.
I can read say it again.
Mbrede ala bossa balediegu Nwachukwu. When the guy travel go obodo Yibo, travel go America, make it for not be like say because computer no go fit get a name. Mbrede ala bossa balediegu Nwachukwu. It be like the whole alphabet for
It be
inside.
like say they call somebody
so now
now.
the guy can't change the name.
To
He
wait
change them quickly to Rockstone. Rockstone.
How that name translate?
From Bayelsa, good evening.
Hello.
Hey, my sister, how is you?
Good evening. I can read a pleasure.
Fine. Katim, good evening.
Good evening, sweet baby. How is you today?
Very fine. I don't want to me.
I'm not with you. I am with you. I am with you.
Hey, you see that what?
What's that? What's that? What?
Now we dance again.
More dancer for you again.
Yeah, that's
Oh yeah, let's go. Easy beat. What?
From them.
What's that? Go. What? Wow.
Wait, next is that.
What's that? What's that? What's that? Aye. What's that? What's that? What's that? Why? Oh yeah. Who they hear you? Who they hear you? Who they hear you now?
We won't come at. Okay.
Hey, so what do you get to talk?
Now, me, I will say, make them go ahead with the marriage. Whether the parents a word for Catholic or
Okay.
receive, it doesn't really matter. Church na church.
So,
Marriage.
May
So-
them go ahead for the marriage here.
when they want to do the marriage, now make them do only court and traditional. Abi make them what did they want to do?
No, that we do the church marriage if the parents say make them do for Catholic or Muslim.
The mama say make them do for Catholic. The mama of the boy say Pentecostal. They never agree which church they go do.
So which one will you say may they go to the marriage?
Which church now?
So me, I go make the young one make them go to the marriage let on the church, the altar. That's all.
It's okay.
John file.
Evelyn,
Thank you.
No
Evelyn.
problem.
No problem.
Greet everybody for Bajasa.
Greet people for Bayelsa. Esther from Calabar. Good evening. Esther.
Yeah.
Esther! Esther! Come far!
No, Esther, you call it 3 times.
Let's call her 3 times.
Esther! Esther!